how to create a value stream mapping diagram using draw.io. So I already start a blank new project, so I did not select any template. It's a just blank page, and I'm going to start by changing the orientation of this page, as the VSMs are usually on the horizontal pages, right, when you print them out. So to do that, I will now change paper size to my local paper size, that's A4, and also I will select landscape. Alright, so now we got the landscape. As you can see, it's not vertical page anymore, it's more suitable for this kind of diagram. Alright, now we're going to add proper shapes. So I will click here, plus more shapes, this blue button, and we need to search for the group of shapes we need for this project. So value stream mapping, let's scroll down to business section, and you will see it here, all of the shapes we need for this. Just click this checkbox on, apply, and from now on you will see all of those shapes in this group on the left. It's pretty easy, you just need to drag the shapes you need out and place on the page. Alright, so as you can see, you can very quickly populate the page with shapes you need for your diagram. If you need just a basic table, you can also use the table tool here at the top. If you need something like this, it's here as well, or you can drag the pre-made tables from this group here. As you can see, they have prepared some arrows for us, so we can click on the arrow, drag it out, and then you can decide where will be the arrowhead. You can stick it to the object. You see the moment when it sticks? Why it's important? Because if you stick those arrows correctly, even though you move the object in your diagram, the arrows will adjust automatically. Take a look, that's very nice. Alright, so just select the arrow you need and stick it to your objects, and you don't need to worry about them even you move some objects around. Take a look. If you want to edit the text, you can just double tap on the text and you can type whatever you like. Feel free to modify the size of the font, color, or the font itself. It's on the right side. Okay. Keep in mind, you can add additional text, whatever you like, just by double tapping and selecting text tool. And now you can add text even it's not in any designated shape. Alright, so that's how easy it is to design a simple VSM diagram using diagrams.net. Everything is here, you just need to remember to click plus more shapes and turn on correct shapes in the business group. Alright, here it is, business value stream mapping, click it on and you'll have access to all of those shapes to make your diagram. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.